Hiroshima, everybody. Today, we are going to be going over my personal top 5 favorite assault rifles in Call of Duty Zombies. These are by no means the best assault rifles, but they are my personal top 5 favorite to use. With that being said, let's get into the video. Coming in at number 5, we have a Nuketown exclusive. We have the M27. Now this thing does absolutely nothing wrong. However, it was placed on the worst map to have an exclusive weapon on. Main reasons: double tap and pack-a-punch. They are completely random when they spawn in, and that is what gives this thing the max potential it could possibly have. And the fact that you can't have that whenever you want kind of degrades it. So with that comes in at number 5. Coming in at number 4, we have the ICR from WaW-Bo3. Now WaW-Bo3 has a lot of good assault rifles, so what I chose to go with to pick this one was the feel factor. Like, it's very hard to explain, but out of all the ARs, this one has the best feeling. Now it's like comparing acids and shrooms. You know, it's like you're gonna have a similar trip, but they feel different, you know? And with that comes in at number 4. Coming in at number 3, we have the Galil from Black Ops 1, Black Ops 2, and Black Ops 3. This thing is iconic. Now my one drawback on this thing is I do not like the iron sights on it. Like, it just doesn't feel good. It doesn't look that great. But everything else about this gun is so good. Like, I love it. It's great on so many maps, and it comes in at number 3. Coming in at number 2 is unfortunately an Origins exclusive. And I say unfortunately because this is obviously the only map that this thing was on. And again, unfortunately, there are 4 elemental wonder weapons that outshine this thing. However, the Agarthan Reaper, that's all I need to say, comes in at number 2. Now before we get to our number 1 pick, I'm going to give a shout out to my boy, the AK, the Reznov's Revenge. Now, in the great words of the warrior poet Ice Cube, for if the day does not require an AK, it is good. I disagree. If you get the AK on Mob of the Dead, you'll be having a good day. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and move on to number 1. Coming in at number 1, we have my favorite gun of all time, the Commando. No other weapon gets me as hard as this one. No pause. This thing is in a category I would like to call the weapons of mass seduction, because that is what this thing is. There is no other gun that when I get it, and especially when I upgrade it, it makes me just go, oh, yeah. Like, just think of the names on this thing. The Commando and the Predator. 80s action movie films. Arnold Schwarzenegger. What more can you ask for? With all that being said, it comes in at our number 1 spot.